What's up, guys? What's poppin'? Walking to Junior Vlogs. Everybody's looking at me. Why is everybody looking? Well, welcome to the vlog. Today is 4th of July. Come on, Kelly. Come on, Kelly. She's kind of embarrassed. Everybody was looking at me because I said, look at this. But welcome to the vlog. Today is July 4th.
I didn't think you were going to do that.
I told you, I don't care. I'll do anything for my vlogs.
Oh my god.
Oh my god.
Welcome. Please scan your first item.
You should have walked all the way down there.
This is a price.
Fuck.
Is that the only one? Why didn't you get 2 shirts? And then you could have done that.
From what?
Like scanned 1 shirt and then just put that shirt back and get that one. Or go to the
Stinks.
Look at these things.
I stink. Say hi. You haven't said hi yet. Are you camera shy?
I think they thought something happened. Because when you did that, all 3 of the workers were like...
I know. It was like, oh, we're coming for this guy. Yeah. Been like, get Trump.
The fucking son of a bitch next to me.
Get him the hell out of here. Get him. Okay, maybe.
You're saying some things you shouldn't be saying.
Actually, I know. Yeah, I'm gonna take your idea. Come on.
Yeah, I know my idea was good.
I know my idea was good. I should get that too, but underneath.
Yeah, it'll look great.
But after Walmart, we are gonna go back to my house, and there's this like little party going on for my. Wait, do they have American underwear? I should get some too. These are comfortable Phillies. This would be good for my ding dong.
No, oh my god.
If you ever want to make my life magical, get this.
Underwear?
Yeah, but we are going to this girl named Amanda's house. It's like gonna be like a little party, and after that we are going to the fair. I'm going to the fair with Kelly. Huh, Kelly? Are we gonna get lit? Whoop whoop. We'll see when we get out of Walmart. What's up, guys? What's poppin'? All right, do you guys like my shirt? I got that tie-dye flow. Hashtag tie-dye. I gotta deal with her all day. Look at this. Look at this. Look. Tell me he doesn't look gay. On a scale of 1 to 10.
He's so cute.
No, he's not. Don't lie to him.
He's so cute.
Don't lie to him. Everybody tells him he's cute, but don't lie to him.
No, he's so cute.
Okay, if he didn't have that big head, he'll look like Dexter.
No, he's so cute. I think he's so cute.
No, he's not. But right now we are going to the little party for Amanda for a little yoga thing. But we are going to the Amanda's for the little party thing, and we are going to get lit. We're going to play some board games and card games. Uno, Phase 10, Choke Kelly. Hi. Yeah. Huh?
Hey.
Hi.
Oh, hey, the tripod.
Yeah.
Hey?
What do you... Oh, dang, let me see your shirt. What the fuck?
The Punisher. I'll punish you. Go to your room.
No problem. You good or what?
Yeah, I'm good. I'll follow you guys. Hey, don't leave me on the dust because I'm gonna not know where to go.
Just go Ross Field, first street, make a right. First street, make a left.
I don't know where that's at.
Just follow us.
Okay.
Am I driving? Okay, I'll see you there in a little bit.
Are you guys ready for the party?
Yeah, sure.
Oh my god. Yeah. Oh, I thought he was gonna come get me again. Fuck you too. Alright, but we are gonna go party.
What if
and
he hurt you?
Probably did, I don't care.
Welcome to the vlog.
Actually, no. I already started the vlog, Raymond.
Hey guys, welcome to the vlog.
Shut
It's
up.
Junior's
I don't want
vlog.
to say it like that.
That's what he does.
What's
What's
poppin'? I
poppin',
just
huh?
What's poppin'? Look, what's poppin'? I
That's
just
a
got
trademark,
plus
dude. You
4.
might get trademarked.
No.
You be careful.
Watch you.
Raymond, shuffle. Show us how you shuffle.
I caught you. Don't cheat, Raymond.
What's up, Junior? What's poppin'? All right, we made it to the fair on post. We're about to get lit. Where are we going?
We gotta go out and that way.
What if we get? Do you think we'll get hit? Do you think we'll get hit?
Why would we get hit?
Because there's cars.
Nigga.
There's go. But you guys like my shirt? Like tie dye. Can you dab? Dab. Bitch, dab! Oh,
But
that right
that's the
there?
one we're getting on too.
Fuck. You're gonna kill me, dude. Oh man, you're gonna kill me.
We talk about how many people there are. You know these lines are like hella long, right?
Ah, fuck. I'm on the most freaking packed day ever.
That's why I asked you yesterday.
Okay, but it was 7 o'clock yesterday.
No, I texted you around like 4, so relax.
Yes, I was at work. I didn't get up till like 7 and some change. And plus, I had to go get my cousin, Raymond. Because he goes to TYC, like, it's like this daycare on base.
Yeah, isn't that like a teenage dick?
Yeah, it's TYC. So, what ride's first? What ride is first?
I don't know. We can go on that green one first. And there's not even a lot of people going.
I wonder why.
Because it's fun.
How many? Oh yeah, you haven't said hi to my juniors in so long. You. Bitch, damn. What's up, bro? What's up, bro?
All right, just
Oh, I thought we were gonna go. Oh no,
Oh yeah,
that's 2 people.
we're going in a circle.
No, that's 2 people though.
Oh, Michael, I guess
It's
you're
gonna be
third.
awkward because
Yeah.
most of the ride.
Hey,
Find yourself a girl.
Find me a girl real quick, Tommy.
I got you.
No,
I got
no.
you.
Oh my god, yeah.
What? Yeah, I know, yeah.
No, I don't want to do that because ain't no girl gonna come with some dude she don't know. But
Hey,
she with
I
her
mean, no,
friend.
you'd be surprised. You'd be surprised.
Yeah,
Most of
you.
these girls-
Yeah, you really would.
I'll just be that lone man out, and if we go on something that's stupid, y'all.
That was us like 5 minutes or like 2 minutes ago. I'm still riding with you when Alyssa comes too. I'm just saying.
Okay, but no, she's gonna ride with Kaylin.
Oh, she is okay, but yeah, I'm gonna ride with you. Alyssa and Kaylin.
Her family.
Can she bring a third?
She's coming with her family.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Both though. Chill out. Chill out.
I've been working all this week doing a hard labor job. I'm still in shape.
I'm
Hey,
not.
Michael, say hey to Alyssa.
Say hi to my juniors.
I was talking to Tommy, and I was like, how you gonna show up all post to a whole July 4th carnival and not even wear red, white, and blue?
He is red, gray, and blue. White. Yeah.
I'm just like, okay, stop trying to look cute. It's July 4th, y'all need to stop.
My underwear looks like an exploded fireworks.
It is my jam actually right here, so if I start slowly singing.
Dude, I've almost remembered the lyrics to this song. I love this song.
This doesn't have Justin Bieber in it though. This is like the original. Oh shit.
Why can't you salsa? I'm just playing. I'm just playing. I love you, Kelly. I love
Has the
you.
hands on her hip like a mother. Talk to me again like that and I'm gonna whip your ass.
Man, why do people always compare me to mom? Like, oh my god, that's
Go ahead. Go ahead. Get it, Kelly. Go ahead, get it. Kelly, dance. I thought you were Hispanic.
I am Hispanic. That doesn't mean I can.
If you're Hispanic, anybody can dance.
This.
Hung. Hi, Michael.
Hey, Michael. Where is he?
Michael's by himself. Oh, dude! At first, I'm gonna move. We're gonna bump into them. Oh God, Kelly, fat ass. Oh! Ah! Touch it! Oh!
Oh my god, what if you see Alyssa?
Ah! Oh shit! Ah, crap! I'll get to the crap! Oh shit! Ah! Oh, motherfucker!
Relax.
Ah, my God! What's up, y'all? So we're just done with the ride, and guess who we seen? Alyssa,
No, we got
Caitlin. What's your name? Xavier. What's your name? Isaiah. What's up, Isaiah? Junior vlog. Dang, we're seeing everybody. Hey, Keanu. Hey, superstar. Is that your mom behind you?
Yeah.
No. Hi, mom. Hi, mom. My name's Tommy. Yeah, sad in my vlog. Sad in my juniors.
I watch your vlog.
You do? Yeah. Now you're on them. Look at that. How amazing is that? Hey, Diego.
Back at it.
Oh yeah, back at it again.
Scaring him.
The romantic scene while you guys go up in the spinning wheel thingy.
Oh my god, dude, that's
Hey, no files.
I just got fucking flashbang.
Did you miss me, Keanu? You missed me, didn't you? The hell. Your boyfriend was going crazy that night. He was taping rooms and shit.
No, you were.
No, that wasn't me.
I saw you
That wasn't
doing
me.
that shit.
That was not me.
You knocked out my poster, you asshole.
I bet you're still hanging like that too.
Yeah, it is. Oh, okay. Okay.
Oh, I love you too.
Stop grabbing my goddamn titty.
I was like, no.
Are you guys ready for the ride?
C.
Are you ready?
Yes.
Are you ready, Diego? Yeah. Go ahead, do it. Go ahead, do it. It's vlogging. Go ahead. For the vlog.
No.
No.
My beard looks so weird and
Like that.
I can't even grow hair. I shit.
Me neither. I just
Like,
got my
it's
goatee.
coming though.
I got my
Tommy, no.
how old do you think I look with this beard?
No, I don't think you look
Do we
that
tell
old.
him that we're a group?
dad's
Hey, I like it, boy. I like it.
How you spell it? How you spell it?
Huh?
How you spell it?
JR.vlog. ELOG. Let's pick.
Because
That one ends up back there.
Fuck.
oh, he's filming.
What do you mean I'm filming? Say like it's a bad thing. Say hi.
I did already.
No, you didn't.
Yes, I did. So wait, so which one are we going?
Juniors, I don't know what we're doing. It's just trying to get lit.
I'm not gonna I'm just waiting.
I was about to say, just jump in.
No, I'm not ready no rides.
Hey, what's
Where's
up?
Delaney?
Say hi to my Juniors vlog channel.
Oh, it's a vlog. Hi guys. I have a YouTube too, guys.
Bitch, what?
Junior vlogs. That's what she's talking about. Look at the line. Ah!
How about you just
What?
Are you gonna report on that?
Yeah. Y'all just kiss? Ew.
no.
Lesbian.
Probably would if you tell them.
I know, really kiss.
Hey, kiss.
She's my cousin.
Okay, we're about to prank. What's on the ground right there? What's on the ground right there? What's up, dude? What's up? Got a problem? Juniors, I'm about to end the vlog. Today was a pretty good vlog. I dropped Kelly off, and that was really the day we went. We went to the fair, what you seen. Then right after that, I dropped her off. I didn't really vlog her dropping off, but she's going on a trip, so we won't get to see her for a little bit. But when she gets back, it will be pretty lit because we have other stuff planned. And when she gets back, it's gonna be pretty lit though. But I dropped her off, we came back and we did fireworks as you just seen. And yeah, that's gonna be my vlog. I'll see you guys next time when I vlog. Don't forget to put a smile. I hope I made you guys smile at least one time. Don't forget to be a junior and to be amazing, because we are amazing like always. Alright, deuces. I also hope you guys had an amazing 4th.
Oh, Tommy.